how to change Instagram notification ringtone. For that, you need to open the Instagram application, and once you open, tap on profile icon which is at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three line icon at the top right of the screen. You need to scroll down and tap on notifications. Now here you need to scroll down and select from Instagram option. Scroll again, and now here at the bottom there is the option of additional options in system settings. Tap on it. You'll get access to this page where you need to scroll down and tap on Instagram direct option. Scroll down again and tap on default. Tap on the ringtone option. So here you can see that the ringtone has been set to default. If you want to change your Instagram notification ringtone, then you need to select any one at your wish, or at the top you can see the option of on this device. You can tap on it and choose the Instagram notification ringtone from your device itself. Once you have done that, your Instagram notification ringtone will be easily changed. This is how you can easily change Instagram notification ringtone. Hope so this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.